All right, I saw this zip. I love the quality of the zip, and I decided to use it and create this half cover shoes. So you just watch carefully and you see the procedure of doing it. It's very simple. Once you pay attention, you can easily capture the process. This material is 3 cm, 3 centimeter. This material is 3 centimeter. That is the part, the other part at the back. And make sure you apply gum. You apply gum for the both side before you join them together. I'm doing them black and dark brown. Desire to work a black and a darker brown shade. One will be pure black, the other one will be a darker brown. This stitching process now, you can use an industrial machine or neither you use a manual machine. Like I'm using manual machine, but then it's still giving the best result. So depending on the kind of machine you want to use, but even this manual is still serving me very well. So this is the lasting process. I've already last the other leg. I want to last the second leg. Can you see the way I join it so that the back will settle at the same length? I take it, all right, I mark it so that when I want to last, I will get the back. Like the lasting will be of the same length, so that when I remove my last, you won't see a difference. Come. There are some kind of half shoes that when you want to last, then you use a front stiff. But with this concept, this is a very simple concept pattern of lasting a half cover shoe. This kind of pattern does not require a front stiff. It all lasts is direct. It does not require front stiff. It all lasts is direct. And it's very simple. This pattern, and I'm even using it without any form of filing machine. You must not file. You just watch and you see me. Okay, can you see the what I'm doing now? I'm trying to trim it like this so that instead of using that filing machine, I'm using my knife so that the gun can hold very well. So this is a work of filing machine, but you can as well use your knife and it will give you a good result. Can you see? When you apply your gun like this, always keep it to dry. Keep it to dry. Let it stay over 6-7 minutes before you gum in. Once it's an epoxy gum, you keep it for a while before you dry it. Because this is an epoxy gum. This is the coupling process. I just want to couple the work now. Wow, can you see how beautiful the shoe come out? Can you see how beautiful? I use the black zips on the darker brown, then I use the golden zip on the black shade of plain black leather.
You cut am now.